Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today I'm going to share with you a new project which name is Digital. Digital is a decentralized teller. Crypto evolved smart banking and trading mode easier. When you click on here white paper button, this is the white paper of Digital. It consists of 28 pages. You can read all detail about this project on this white paper. And this is the audit report button. When you click on it, second link will open here. You can read and can check out all audit report here. The project is based on Binance Smart Chain, language Solidity, date 19 June 2021. And as you can see here, pre-sale will end after 14 days and 20 hours. And as you can see here, this is the demo of their master visa card. You can buy different cryptocurrency through this card. And also they will launch their application e-wallet, where you can trade your different kind of currencies in Euro, Bitcoin, Digital, Ethereum, USD and Tron. What is the digital objective? Using the latest blockchain technology, we are building a digital cryptocurrency for everyone, the currency that is designed to serve as a payment token for all transactions in the ecosystem. Digital is easy to use, security stored, and it is tailored to everyone's need. It is goal to ensure through digital that everyone in the world has access to affordable global currency, all because strongly believe in the future development of the crypto market as a viable alternative to the traditional financial system, regardless of economical, epidemiological or political factors. These are the key features of a digital crypto exchange platform, accessible through regulated wallet that provides transparency and fund protection. Digital as cryptocurrency for everyday transaction payment for receipts, built using latest blockchain technology. Digital wallet allow the flow of crypto and fiat coin. You can buy through crypto coins and through fiat currency. Support for crypto fiat transaction payment securely is guaranteed by checking procedures superior to the one used of bank. Guaranteed access to the stored funds through digital exchange, open banking and digital wallet. And this is the detail of mobile e-banking, simple and safe storage of your fund connected to the crypto exchange in real time, allowing you to pay with cryptocurrency for all transactions including bills and shopping while enjoying solid images. You can check out here how it will work, how to buy. You can watch these videos through MetaMask. With BNB you can buy their token. Minimum purchase is 0.2 BNB, and this is the token sale detail. Token ticker is TTM. Token platform Binance Smart Chain, smart contract, maximum supply, available supply, and this is sale platform TBD, private sale 2, pre-sale stage 1, pre-sale stage 2. Token allocation, team 10%, reward 10%, sale 50%, development 20%, marketing 10%, and transaction fees automatically distributed to holders 3%, automatically added to the liquidity pool 3%. And this is company future roadmap. They started their concept quarter 4 2023. We will be moving forward with the development of payment application for our platform as well as the digital wallet, and taking all necessary steps for successful listing on Binance Exchange in order to extend our network and users. This is the detail of their roadmap. And these are the executive team members, the people behind a group of talented businessmen, IT professional and blockchain expert. releases bitcointalk.org, financial coinomics. Fill up this form to contact them, and these are the social links of Digital. You can also follow for further updates. Its bounty is live. You can participate in their bounty. Link is available in the video description. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.